it's Anna, and this video is on what I packed for Costa Rica and Mexico. I'm traveling for 6 months, and this is all I brought with me.
On November 2021, I quit my job to go on a solo trip to Costa Rica and Mexico for 6 months. Last year I had gone to Costa Rica, and I got stuck there during the pandemic. I love the country, but I liked it so much that I decided to come back. And here I am now, traveling the tropics for half a year at the age of 21. Between jungles, beaches, and hostels, watch me adventure and grow on my trip.
So this is a 40-liter backpack, carry-on size. And this is I don't know how many liter backpack, but it's just my personal item. Plus this, which is a waterproof bag that I bought. I think they're called a dry bag that I bought here. I'll start off with the smaller items, I'd say. So this, when I'm traveling, goes inside of this backpack. Usually I have the camera I'm filming inside, but I'm filming it so I can show you. And I also put my phone inside and just a plastic bag to cover it in case it rains. And then in this smaller pocket I have this pencil case where I have some batteries, SD cards, and other random stuff, camera gear stuff. Moving on to the smaller backpack, here I have a lock. I usually travel with this lock. I have two of them, so there's one in my locker and then the other one here because this is where I keep my most valuables. Usually don't keep the key with the lock. So in this small pocket I have I have this, which shouldn't be here. I have my passport and my vaccination card. And the one in the middle, I have other stuff like my wallet, ring cover, sunglasses, masks, my menstrual cup, and my hard drive. And in the mid pocket I have this, which I don't know what it's called, but I'll show you later what it's for. This is like a cables bag. It's usually messy, I don't even want to show you, but a lot of cables, a lot of charges, and a lot of other things, and I use most of it, which I'm proud of. I also have some reusable cutlery here with a pen and pencils. And I have this travel adapter with a lot of different countries. So I have Europe, UK, Australia, US. And the good thing about this is I only have one travel adapter, and then I have all of this, so I only need one travel adapter for all my electronics in case I need to charge my camera, my laptop, my GoPro, and my phone at the same time. Then I have my drone case. Inside I have my GoPro with an accessory, my drone, my controller, and my drone batteries. And lastly I have some important documents and my laptop, which I use for editing. And moving on to the bigger backpack, here I have my two towels. I use this for the beach and this for something else. This hostel is great, they have a towel for us, so I don't need both. But in other hostels I do need both. And I'm going to show you a bit of the backpack first. So in this side I have a pocket that I never use. Then here we have a pocket on top, pocket on the bottom, or here, which I'm going to show you later. And finally this mesh pocket, which I used to use for my reusable water bottle when I had one until it broke. So yeah, now I just refill a plastic water bottle and this small pocket. So on this one I have my first aid kit, my headlamp. One thing I did not bring that I think would have been useful is a flashlight, so put that in your list. My headlamp and the rain cover for the backpack. Great thing about this backpack is it has this zipper that just completely zips open like a suitcase. Now I'm gonna get it wet, so it's been raining lately. This is a pocket that I use for my laundry. I have a few things here. I'm gonna start with the bigger packing cube, which is this one. So I have 2 shirts of each, 2 black ones, 2 gray ones, and 2 white ones. So I have one of these of each and 1 short sleeve of each. The gray one that's missing is in the laundry, so. And then I have 2 dresses, 2 button-downs, and a straw. I do regret bringing the 2 button-downs. I think I've used them once on this trip, and I've been traveling for 25 days. Should have already used them more. Then I have a folded jumper, weird because I roll all my clothes. And this is my underwear, PJ, and everything else packing cube. So here are my PJs. I'm missing what I'm wearing actually. This is a shirt, some shorts, a dress, and then I have these leggings for when mosquitoes kill me, aka today, and one more shirt that's in the laundry. So here I have underwear, bikini, and one red bathing suit, some socks, underwear. I have some period pads. This for boiling my menstrual cup at a hostel, reusable period pads, and condoms. Here I have my shoes. These are really nice because you can just squish them and they don't take up any space. And when I'm traveling, I usually wear these shoes. So on travel days, I wear these shoes so I don't have to worry about packing them. They're the biggest ones. And I just got sand all over my backpack. They're really dirty. And I also packed these flip-flops, but they're wet and dirty from today, so I'm not gonna put them inside. But they do fit here. Then I have two tote bags. I don't think I need both. I could go with one easily. And these two toiletry bags. Here I have sunscreen, mosquito repellent, perfume, B12 and alcohol, which I use as a substitute for my deodorant because I lost my deodorant my first week. I don't know how. And this makeup bag I have, well, let's start with this one. So here I have my toothbrush, other toothbrush for when I go to Mexico. It will have been 3 months, and then the tongue scrubber. In the big one I keep my 3 soaps. They're solid soaps, and as I travel so much and I put them in here, they don't have time to dry out, and this is not solid anymore, just a paste. This one's doing quite good though. So this is my bar soap, shampoo, conditioner, moisturizer, intimate cleanser, toothpaste or tooth tablets, some tweezers, a safety razor, and a comb. Then I have a rain jacket, and last but not least, my pants packing cube. So I kind of regret bringing some of this, but I'll show you. These are shorts that I nearly ever wear. I only wear them when I have nothing else to wear. It's going to rain. Okay, then these are long jeans. These are my National Park wear. These are some jeans that I do use. They're not white, they're like yellowish. And these shorts I kind of like scrub. I am missing one pair of shorts, which is in the laundry. These ones are my favorite for traveling. They're really comfy. They're really comfy and I wear them all the time. And this is the end of the video because it's starting to rain and you're getting wet because I think the camera's not covered by the roof. But that's everything I bring on my 6-month travel trip. Oh, also I do bring a container, like a tin material container, and my things are getting wet. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Okay. I need to do something about this. I don't want my stuff to get wet.